成功的找到了蟹群的位置，这让初来乍到的雷克对捕蟹这件事越来越自信。
Lake's strategy of calling all the captains he knows on the radio to find good fishing spots seems to be working.
So far, things are going good.
工人们看着捕捞上来的帝王蟹，对新船长雷克的质疑也渐渐消失。雷克经过一夜的捕捞，已经将海里的蟹笼全部打捞起来。此时雷克面临着选择，工人们建议雷克在原地继续投放蟹笼，但是雷克知道蟹群是会一直移动的，显然雷克不会听从工人的建议。雷克这边率先开张，成功的捕捞到了17000磅的配额，但显然距离政府分配的额度还差很多。
54, Blake. It's gonna be a long night. All right, 68. That's a lot of crap we got here.